Alright guys, so I'm sitting here thinking where to start. Well, I never really did like a drive-by or anything with it before, so with the stock. So we're gonna do that now. Do a roll-off and then a flyby. Stock injectors. It is on my super hot Looney Wild tune though. So it might break down right now, who knows? You never know. So, alright. Well, I'm gonna pass the camera off to my buddy.
Just give it.
Just give it. Guys, you see it. Oh yeah, welcome back to Build It Boost It. We're gonna embark on a journey together. Over here, you see my single cab with the hood up. It's actually not because it's broken yet. We have the parts to break it. It's funny how those 8 little pieces in there is all it's gonna take to completely destroy my truck. We're gonna be taking all the pretty stuff off for now, ripping the injectors out and throwing them big sticks in them. They're 190/30s. I got a sticker finally. I'll show you that. Incognito, I like it. A little dark on dark. I like that. That looks nice. Real nice, real nice. So my thing will be very simply, the next thing is going to be a clutch, because you add some power to this thing and it's gonna melt the clutch.
Want to see the next thing for my truck?
Yeah, let's do this. What do you got going over here?
Oh, you know.
Stuff and things.
4th upgrade.
That you ordered them before it broke.
But it did break. So technically
It did break.
Hold on, let me unbuckle her.
Okay. Yes, it's literally buckled. Sneak peek.
It's a mess in here, but go ahead.
Oh man,
Fancy.
this thing is hot. Yup, that'll do. That'll do, pig. That'll do. So both the diesels are getting some work. You ever gonna get yours back?
I already have the fuel, so.
All the fuel. See, and my truck has more air than I need.
I need a really long Allen head.
Until now, I have an Allen head.
To know what it is. The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes. It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth? That you are a slave.
But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
want me to